How about this word? Affair. So, this one's interesting because the word heir is found in affair. And heir is associated with marriage. For a very long time, who knows how many countless thousands of generations, our previous lives repeated the same traditions, same process of learning the pentagram or going to school to learn about the belt. And in the belt is the ring, and that's supposed to teach all the elements so that a person is not burned or hurt. A person would be considered to be fire until they learn the elements. And that was where slavery would become justified, because people would force them to. And so the letter Q is basically using the ring or using school or law for marriage or rewarding someone or hooking up someone, coupling people. So the word affair starts with the letter A, that is caring or empathy. Letter A would be found, the best example of that would be the head of God while he's, let's say it's a bull, and he's crying about the bulls because there's a problem with one of them, or something like that, and he's caring for them, right? So the very first definition of God is basically somebody who owns stock or owns animals. So what makes them godlike is empathy and crying or caring for the animals. That's what makes them more godlike. They would be judged and criticized if they were bad to them. So, starts out with letter A, and that would be caring or empathy, like thinking for others. And then the letter F would be claiming. But where you find it twice, it's happened, and it's in past tense. So you have so far caring, claimed, and then the letter A is found again, so the ankh will be carried from the first letter A, and that will carry the letter F, like claiming who, and then it goes to the new letter I, which makes sure that everyone is loved or cared for, or perhaps the opposite, because it's balancing that. It's like a scale. And so the letter R is the last letter that is a heading. And so what we have here with the whole entire word is it basically means, in past tense, usually the vowels are going to be the strongest letters in the word. Cared about who was claimed is what it means. And then and it would be an echo large enough to be someone like a spouse.